this video. So I am here. I hope you all are having your books with you. So today I am going to start the rest of the portion of the chapter 1, and the topic is the lion and the mouse. So students, as we have completed our 2 question and answers, so here we are going to start our third question, and the question is, what did the hunter put on the lion? In this question you will answer that what did the hunter put on the lion, means कि hunter ने lion के ऊपर क्या डाला. Okay, so the answer is the hunter put the net on the lion. The hunter put the net on the lion. And students, you have to do this work in your notebook and book both. And now your fourth question is, who cut the net? What is your fourth question? Fourth question is, who cut the net? Okay. In the chapter, I have told you that who cut the net? Mouse and his friend. Who cut the net? Answer 4. The mouse and his friends. Cut the net. The mouse and his friends cut the net with their sharp teeth. Okay, and they made the lion free. Okay, after that the mouse and the lion became friends. Okay, so your fifth question is, who became friends? Who became friends? The mouse and the lion became friends. Okay, because the mouse saved lion. Mouse saved lion. After that they became friends. Okay. The mouse and the lion became friends. Hope you all understood the chapter very well. Okay students, and you will all learn these question and answers. Okay, it will come in your examinations. So we have completed the question and answer portion. Now it is time for the exercise E, and that is your true and false. Write T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Students, there are 4 statements, and you will write F for the false statement and you will write T for the true statements. Means F stands for false and T stands for true. Okay, so let's start. Exercise E. Students, if you all are having your books with you, then you will have to complete all these exercises in which are given in these videos. Okay, जो videos में आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है वो सब आपको books में complete करना है. Okay, so your first statement is, the lion laughed. The lion laughed. Can you tell me the Is the lion laughed or not? Was lion laughed or not? Yes, the lion laughed. So it is true statement. Then we will write here true. T. Now the second statement is the mouse has sharp teeth. Who cut the gnat with their sharp teeth? Mouse. All mice cut the gnat with their sharp teeth. It means the mouse has sharp teeth? Yes, it is true. So we will write here T. Now the third statement is the hunter put a cloth on the line. So our third statement is the hunter put a cloth on the line. Okay, students, tell me what did the hunter put on the line? Cloth or net? Net. Yes, you all are right. So the hunter put a cloth on the line is false statement. So we will write here F. Now the fourth one is the mouse called all his friends. The mouse called all his friends. Yes. Is the mouse called all his friends? Tell me, क्या mouse ने अपने सारे दोस्तों को बुलाया था? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because he want to save the lion life. Okay, lion's life. So it is true. This is true statement. So we will write here T. So students, we have completed our exercise E. Now it is the turn of for the exercise F. Okay. So here we have our exercise F. Who said to whom? किसने किसको कहा या किससे कहा? Okay. So our first phrase is who is that? Who is that? The lion to the mouse. The lion to the mouse. Okay. Now the second one is I will help you one day. I will help you one day. If you remembered that I have taught you in the beginning when the lion captured the mouse and he said that I will eat you. So the mouse replied, please don't eat me. One day I will help you. So who said I will help you one day? The mouse to the lion. Okay. This is your G exercise G, and in this exercise you have to fill all the blanks. Okay. So fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. There are two options given you, and you will put here the right one. Okay. So our first statement is the lion was sleeping or talking. So lion was sleeping. Okay. You will write here sleeping. Now the second one is the mouse was big or small. Have you ever seen the mouse? They are small. So the mouse was small. Now the dash is the king of the forest. Who is the king of the forest? Lion. The lion is the king of the forest. Now, the lion was free or afraid? The lion exercise also in your book. Okay students, so we are just coming to our conclusion. So this is your last exercise of this chapter, naming words. You have to find this exercise on page number 11 and 12. So here, naming words are called nouns, names of animals, things and persons, places or are all are nouns. You all know that I am noun, you are noun, and everything in your room, at your place, all things are noun. So you just have to, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. So there are two animals in the story, lion and mouse. Write the names of some other animals. Students, in this chapter you find two characters or two animals, lion and the mouse, and now you will write the some other animals like dog, cat or cow. Again, there are two things in the story, teeth and neck. Things. There are two things in the story, net which hunter put on the lion and teeth. Do you have teeth? Yes. Okay. So there are two things. So write the names of more things. Now you will write the name of things like cup, ball, hat. Okay. Now the third one is, there is a person in the story, hunter. Person like you are a person, I am a person. Okay, your dad, your mom, all those are the persons. Okay. So write the names of more person. So you will write here the name of more person like teacher, girl and boy. Okay. Now turn over the page. Page number 12. Fourth one is, there is a place in the story, forest. There is a place in which all the story have completed. There is a place, forest. Write the names of other places. Other places like school, home or park. Okay. So with this we have completed this chapter. So hope you all understood the chapter very well. Okay students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.